Good morning. Believe it or not, these critters, me and oops, weird. That's really clear. There it is. And my husband, we are awake since 4 in the morning. Why? I don't have clue. We just wake up and we keep going and going and going. Now I'm dressed and ready to go to work. It looks kind of weird, but it's the most comfortable thing, more when you're wearing your mask for more than 8 hours and then you have to be very warm with coat because it's really cold outside. It's cold and I have a big mess in this room, but I am no worry. I will take care of all these maybe tonight, and all these and all these. Yes, so no worries. Let's go to get our meals and everything ready. Are you ready, Frosty? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm in my car getting my car warm. It looks like a mess there. I think it's just the vision from there. Anyway, better kind of getting my car warm. It's my Friday. I'm so excited, and we will go to get some hamburgers. I think I'm going to get hamburgers for tonight. I haven't had hamburgers for a long time, so I think I will spoil myself today. We will see. I still think about. Good morning to a beautiful sunny day. Well, it's still cold, but I just finished doing my planning with my planner. That's the idea, right? Sorry, trying to manage this camera. Okay, so I did this. I was able to pass all my information for my budget. I think it looks good compared with the other one. So I got this. I have my month plan, and I pre-planned my week, all the week minus my weekend, because weekends I like to plan on the weekend. And one thing that I add is my spring cleaning. It's time for a spring cleaning. So this is my house management planner, and I came to the spring and fall cleaning, and I am marking like 2 tasks per day, because when I'm working I don't know how much time I have, so I'm try to put the easy task, and I will leave the 4 hard ones for my days off, like for one day, for another day. And we will be marking what is complete. It can take a month, 2 months, I don't care. This time I will not kill myself trying to get everything done in one but I have so many things to do. This has years here, and I always do the same. I always mark them using my clear acetate. I use a dry erase marker, so I go marking, I finish, I clear, and I move the acetate to the next page. That's how it's going. So now I need to organize and clean all these. No excuses now. Let's do it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
You coming? Come on. It is so cold. Oh, I need to separate my laundry. Let me show you. I bring all the laundry here, and then I have all these to separate all the laundry. So first I will do that, and I have something going here. So let's do, sorry the mess, but that is how I have this basement. So let's separate. I have to take care of all that part there. Oh no. most beautiful dog. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You waiting for me? You waiting for me? Okay. I'm passing my videos while I'm doing my crochet and doing laundry, following my planner, but I'm getting starving here. I haven't eaten. It's 1:50. I haven't had other than coffee. So let's move one more, this one, to my USB so I can pass. There it is. And let's go to make a sandwich.
Be like, you're gonna get annoyed with how many other things I'm gonna okay, let's see.
So I can open them out in case I'm